Hi guys, my name is Catherine Chun. I'm really excited to be in this course. Professionally, right now, I work at the Buckeye Ranch, which is a nonprofit organization in Columbus, Ohio. We work with kids who are under 18. We have a residential facility. We do foster care. We also do community-based counseling programs. We do medication management, as long as they're in Medicare, or Medicaid is what we use to bill. So I currently work there. I am a community-based clinician, so I work both with the family and with the kiddo to help them with whatever their needs are. And I really enjoy it. It's definitely different than what I thought I was going to be doing, but I actually do genuinely enjoy it. You know, I think the thing that I am most looking forward to in this class is probably just more about how systems work. I find that I learned a lot about systems in my undergrad program, which I completed in 2018, but I haven't learned a lot about systems ongoing since then. So I think kind of getting a refresher course on how systems work, what that looks like, and what that kind of means for our work, I think will be really interested. And I think the thing that I really have enjoyed the most is probably just different people's perspectives on how all these social work things, connect. So I know we use a lot of book things and, um, we use a lot of things that have been researched, but getting to know how different people from different, histories and cultures connect those and use those in their day-to-day practice or will going forward, I think that's just really fascinating to me. And so I think that is probably what I've enjoyed the most in this class. Or that's what I'm looking forward to most in this class and what I've enjoyed in previous classes. Sorry. So it's nice to meet you guys. Thank you.